MTS Technik is a manufacturer of coilovers, camber plates, and auto suspension parts. In my opinion, their products are the best on the American market now for performance projects with limited or medium budgets. Why? Let's see. I'm Nikko of NikkoMotors.com, and here is everything you want to know about MTS Technik. MTS Technik was founded in 2005 in Romania, Poland, as a distributor of car performance parts. In 2008, they also started manufacturing their own suspension parts, and by 2010, they were well known and loved in Poland. In 2012, they became the main distributor of Aibach products in Poland. And in 2015, they started a strategic partnership with Aibach and began using Aibach springs in all of their coilovers. In 2019, they stopped selling parts of other brands and fully focused on their own production. They also invested a lot into their production lines, machines, processes, and logistics. So they became a very modern manufacturer with products that fully complied with all toughest requirements and regulations. And that allowed them to storm into the German market and to other countries of Europe. In 2022, MTS Technik entered the American market and has been quickly growing here since then because of the unique combination of quality, functionality, and price. When you are buying coilovers of MTS Technik, you have three model lines to choose from: Street, Stance, and Comfort. The Street series is the most versatile one. You get medium stiffness and anti-lean properties, but good lowering and very good handling of your car. This series is the best for hybrid applications, when you do some racing or autocrossing sometimes, but still use your car as your daily driver. The Stance series is for more serious applications. You'll get low comfort for daily driving, but the highest stiffness and anti-roll properties, as well as deepest lowering. If you use your car mostly for motorsport applications, or if you want to get the deepest lowering, that is your choice. And the Comfort, third series, still gives you good lowering and decent handling, but low stiffness. At the same time, you get the best comfort and softness for everyday use. If you want to lower your car mostly for good looks, and you are not planning any serious motorsport activity, this is your choice. This Comfort series is the best option for show cars. MTS Technik has a very wide selection of coilovers, especially for German cars like BMW, Audi and Volkswagen, because those cars are the most popular for modifications in Poland. But they also have a lot of options for many popular American and Japanese cars. And if you have an older BMW or Volkswagen, they have parts for models starting from mid-70s, so they are good for retro projects and restoration projects too. By the way, if you like European cars of the 80s and 90s, subscribe to my second channel, Wurst Motors, where I tell stories about them. The link is in the description below. So, why MTS Technik and not something else? Because of the perfect, optimal balance of quality, functions and price. You get a very well-made product designed and built according to German standards and with German precision. Good welding, good materials, high-quality engineering, good assembling quality and nice look. No questions here. Plus, you get German-made springs from Aibach. Second, they are reasonably priced. Not cheap, but affordable and very reasonable considering high quality. Most kits are from $700 to $1,500 depending on the car and what's included into the kit. And you get a lot for this money. And they work right. You get lowering, you get stiffness, you get handling improvement, everything what you expect from a performance suspension. The height is adjustable on all coilovers. Many kits include camber plates for easy alignment as well. Or you can buy camber plates separately. They don't have dynamic adjustability, what you call clicks, but you don't really need it for most applications. Instead, you have a choice of 3 pre-made series of different stiffness and you keep a relatively low price. So, in my opinion, MTS Technik is the best optimal balanced option for coilovers in the American market now. If you want to learn more, see products of MTS Technik and buy them, or you have questions, just come to our website, NikkoMotors.com. We are not the only ones who sell products of MTS Technik. but we are proud to have very good relations and understanding with them. So we can probably get you more than you can see on our website or on other sites. By the way, if you don't see the part you need on our website, contact me. We most likely have it, or I can get it for you. You know, honestly, I really want to help you make your car great. Thank you very much for watching this. I'm Peter Nikko of NikkoMotors.com. Subscribe to my channels and have a great day.